Hi everyone, it's your Fadrik, and welcome to our last week-long adventure in this year. Wow, I can't believe it, we're almost done of this decade. Less than 10 days, we're so close. And yeah, finally I got my own background music, made by my talented friend Basil. If anyone wants to check him out, links in the description, go give him some love. But now, let's get into the video. Today I'm trying my final challenge this year, which making a small game in 1 week. And in this video, I'll walk you in my idea creation process and how the game design is done for this small tiny game. After a lot of trying in my newly created idea generator, I got some cool ideas. So the theme I'm doing in this game will be steampunk. And our main hero is a robot. And this small robot story is simple. He just wants to show his love by building a big statue for his girlfriend. But sadly, that needs a ton of money. So he oil up his gears and go diving in the mines. Also the mines are really dangerous and will collapse every few minutes, leaving him in the dirt and also leaving him with a little time to go in the mines, use his tools and get back to the surface. But he will go in again and again until he mine, smelt and gather all the ores to build his love, the statue she deserves. This was very hard to be telling a story for the first time on my channel, but I want now to focus on each point of the game design and analyze it for you guys. First, I wanted the game to have cycles. The player will have to think what to do in each cycle and do not play forever in the same mine. And also to eliminate or put a twist on the concept of grinding, because the player can use each cycle to get better and better and so on, so each cycle will be easier and faster after upgrading your tool. So player don't have the need to grind and will just play the game and be better and better with time and with each cycle. The second main part of the game is the upgrading part. When you mine ore and smelt them, you sell them for money. And then you simply use that money to buy upgrades for yourself. Because you're just a robot and you also upgrade your base that is located inside the mine. Also, you'll find some really skillful nomad mine robots that will sell you all the upgrades you need. You just have to explore the mines and find them. The third part is the tools that the robot will have, aka you. The main track, so the robot can increase in the speed, and the main drill so he can mine faster. And even a better economic chip so he can sell the stuff at much higher price. And of course, I'll think of more stuff along this week. Next, you have the machines inside the mines, and here you have the main smelter that you use to smelt the ores you mine, a simple storage system, and the surface seller to send your ingot via balloons to the surface. And the ingot merger, which is the fun part of this game. Here you can put all the ingots together and merge them into new metal or ingots, and these new types can be sold for even higher and higher price. And an ingot study room. Here you put new ingots to study and store them into the book of knowledge, which is the only thing that stays the same when you die inside the mine or you go back and down the surface. The book of knowledge, which will contain all the ingots you find and how to make each one of them, plus the prices. Also, what will stat you need to be completed. The fourth and the most important part of the game and the last one is the main mine itself and its map, which will be constructed on a 2D grid and consist of rooms that will have doors that lead to each other. Sadly, the mine will be open, because I can't create a full dungeon generator in 1 week with all the stuff I have to do left. But I will do my best for sure, but the main trick here is that the mine will change each time you go down, because of the earthquake cycles that will happen in this world. So in the end, or just to recap everything, the gameplay will be like this. Start by going down the mine and then go around and mine ores. Then you get back to the machine, smelt the ores and sell the ingots. Rinse and repeat, but along that you should manage the time carefully, improve your ore knowledge and upgrade yourself, so you can finish the game even faster and more efficient. If you die down in the mine, you will lose all the upgrades that you have purchased and all the unsold ingots, ores and the money you have made this cycle. The only way to save is to go up to the surface. I don't know if I will be able to add any map system, but it's on the to-do list for sure. I may add a radar that will help the player find any help or any robots down the line. I hope I'll be able to finish this project before this year end, and I hope I could deliver you all some game dev content to enjoy in the upcoming weekend. And join me on my ride in creating this game and the devlogs along the way, and hopefully having the game ready for you all to enjoy in the New Year Eve. And I still have one goal this year, is to push to 1k subscribers. It's a far goal, but if you made it this far in this video and you're enjoying my content, please consider subscribing. A lot of cool stuff is coming in 2020. And in the end, for all of you mighty knights, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join our kingdom over on Discord. Links in the description. See you all in the next devlog of this new game and on this new adventure.